Rubber plants, scientifically known as Ficus elastica, are popular choices for houseplants worldwide. Their glossy green leaves and impressive height make them an eye-catching addition to any indoor space. However, these beautiful plants offer more than aesthetic appeal. They provide a myriad of wellness benefits to humans that range from improving air quality to reducing stress. In this video, we look into the numerous health and wellness benefits that rubber plants offer. Rubber plants' proficiency in air purification is not just a conjecture, but a scientifically proven fact. As revealed by NASA's Clean Air study, rubber plants are champions in cleansing the air of toxic substances. They possess a remarkable ability to absorb airborne toxins such as formaldehyde, benzene, and ammonia, common elements found in various household products like cleaning supplies, paints, and furnishings. Let's examine this in more detail. This toxin can be found in many everyday items, including paper towels, synthetic fabrics, and carpeting. Exposure can cause irritation to the eyes, nose, and throat, and long-term exposure has been linked to certain types of cancers. Rubber plants actively absorb formaldehyde, mitigating its harmful effects. Often found in rubber, dyes, detergents, and certain plastics, benzene can cause headaches and confusion, and in severe cases, can affect the bone marrow, leading to anemia. Rubber plants help remove benzene from the air, improving your indoor environment. This can be found in a variety of cleaning products and can cause irritation to the eyes and lungs. By removing ammonia, rubber plants can contribute to a healthier living environment. By cleansing the air of these toxins, rubber plants create a healthier environment, making them an essential addition to the homes of those suffering from allergies, asthma, or other respiratory ailments. Beyond its air purifying prowess, the rubber plant also boasts excellent natural humidifying properties. It harnesses a natural process called transpiration, where water is absorbed by the roots and then released into the air from the leaves as vapor. This natural moisture regulation not only aids the plant's own physiological needs, but also creates a healthier environment for humans and other houseplants around it. Let's look at how rubber plants can help. In the arid seasons or in heavily air-conditioned spaces, the air can often become dry, leading to parched, uncomfortable skin. The rubber plant works as a natural combatant to this issue. The moisture it releases increases ambient humidity levels, aiding in maintaining the natural hydration of your skin. It's almost like having a natural skincare assistant right in your living room. Our respiratory system thrives best in balanced humidity. When air conditions become too dry, it can lead to dry and scratchy throats, increased susceptibility to colds, and other respiratory ailments. By releasing moisture into the air, rubber plants help maintain a healthy level of humidity, which can soothe dry throats and potentially decrease susceptibility to colds. Rubber plants don't just benefit humans, they can be a godsend for other houseplants too. Several houseplants, especially tropical ones, flourish in humid conditions. By increasing the humidity level in the environment, rubber plants help establish a mini ecosystem conducive to the healthy growth of other flora in your indoor garden. There's a compelling calm that comes with incorporating elements of nature into your living space, and rubber plants are an excellent way to do just that. They not only bring a vibrant splash of green to your surroundings, but also carry an inherent serenity that can significantly help in reducing stress and anxiety. Here's how they contribute. Caring for a rubber plant can be a mindful exercise akin to meditation. The act of watering, trimming, or simply observing the plant brings your focus to the present moment, away from the myriad concerns and stresses of daily life. This mindful interaction promotes a state of relaxation and mental clarity, fostering overall well-being. When you see a plant that you've nurtured flourish, it can elicit a profound sense of accomplishment. This emotion, tied to the successful care of your rubber plant, contributes to a more positive mood and heightened self-esteem. Essentially, as your plant grows, so does your happiness. Lastly, the presence of a rubber plant in your home, with its deep green leaves and stately form, brings a touch of nature indoors. This green connection can stimulate feelings of calm and tranquility, creating a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of modern life. This psychological benefit further underscores the positive impact of rubber plants on our mental well-being. Incorporating nature into workspaces through plants, like the rubber plant, has been linked to marked improvements in productivity and focus. This connection has been substantiated by numerous studies, one of the most notable being the Lean Office research by the University of Exeter, which found a 15% productivity boost in green offices. The rubber plant, in particular, carries specific traits that amplify this productivity boosting effect. Green spaces and plants have long been associated with mental rejuvenation. They provide a much-needed break for our cognitive functions, allowing for a reset that can help alleviate mental fatigue. Rubber plants, with their lush foliage, can facilitate this psychological restoration, ultimately promoting increased concentration and a satisfying sense of well-being in the workspace. Rubber plants can grow quite tall, with large, glossy leaves. This makes them ideal as natural screens within a workspace. The plants provide a gentle partition, fostering a sense of personal space and reducing distractions. This subtle visual barrier can aid in maintaining focus on tasks, thereby boosting productivity. As previously discussed, rubber plants excel at air purification. This improvement in air quality translates into a healthier and more comfortable workspace, which can be conducive to enhanced cognitive function, ultimately driving productivity. There's more to rubber plants than meets the eye. They can also play a role in healing. Here's a snapshot of their benefits in a healing environment. While the rubber plant isn't a substitute for medical treatment, its healing environment contribution can be a supportive element in the recovery process. While not directly related to physical health, the enhancement of interior aesthetics by rubber plants is a notable contributor to overall wellness. An aesthetically pleasing environment can significantly impact our psychological well-being. Rubber plants, with their stately appearance and vibrant green leaves, can transform any space into an appealing, natural haven. This contributes to wellness in the following ways. Aesthetics play a key role in determining our mood. Spaces that are visually appealing make us feel good, and having a rubber plant can contribute to this. Its lush green presence can bring a room to life, promoting feelings of relaxation and happiness, and leading to a positive mood shift. The calming effect of greenery on the human psyche is well documented. By introducing a rubber plant into your living or working space, you can create an environment that exudes tranquility. The presence of the plant can reduce stress, aid relaxation, and promote overall peace of mind. The inherent beauty of the rubber plant facilitates a connection with nature, even in the most urban of settings. This connection can foster a sense of calm and well-being, as well as a break from the often chaotic rhythm of modern life. The rubber plant serves as a reminder of nature's serenity amidst our busy lives. Among the various wellness benefits of the rubber plant, its ability to act as a natural sound absorber is often overlooked. This is particularly pertinent in our increasingly noisy world where peace and quiet have become a luxury. The rubber plant's broad, thick leaves are nature's own acoustic panels, capable of absorbing and deflecting sound waves. Let's delve into how this acoustic benefit of rubber plants can contribute to wellness. Here's a closer look at how this can help. In bustling environments such as high-traffic homes or lively offices, noise pollution can become a stressor, impacting productivity and overall well-being. Here, rubber plants can serve as a natural solution to this problem. The wide leaves of the plant can absorb sound waves, helping to reduce overall noise levels and creating a quieter, more peaceful environment. Background noise can often be a significant distractor when trying to concentrate. By helping to mitigate these distractions, rubber plants can create a more conducive environment for focus and concentration. Whether you're studying, working, or engaged in any other focused activity, a rubber plant in your space could potentially boost your productivity. A quieter space lends itself naturally to relaxation and stress relief. The sound dampening effect of rubber plants can contribute to a more serene environment, promoting relaxation and enhancing overall wellness. While rubber plants, unlike certain other plant species, do not release oxygen at night, they nonetheless can play a key role in promoting better sleep. Through their air-purifying properties and the calming psychological effect they induce, rubber plants can contribute to a healthier and more serene sleep environment. Here's how. As we've discussed, rubber plants have excellent air-purifying abilities, eliminating various toxins from the environment. This results in cleaner, healthier air, which can lead to improved respiratory health, an important factor for quality sleep. There's something innately soothing about being surrounded by nature. The simple act of having plants like the rubber plant in your sleep environment can evoke feelings of tranquility, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. This calming effect can help you wind down at the end of the day, facilitating a more restful and restorative night's sleep. In the current age, where mental health is increasingly recognized as a critical part of overall well-being, the potential benefits of indoor plants like the rubber plant should not be underestimated. Although they are not a cure or a direct substitute for professional therapeutic interventions, the presence and care of rubber plants in our daily environment can offer significant psychological benefits. These benefits range from stress reduction to the therapeutic effects of engaging with nature, a practice dating back centuries and still relevant in modern therapeutic settings. The calming influence of nature has been recognized and appreciated for a long time. The simple act of caring for a rubber plant, observing its growth and changes, can bring about a sense of calm and order, providing a natural counter to stress and anxiety. This interaction with nature can shift our focus from stressors, allowing a mental respite that can significantly alleviate stress and anxiety levels. Although simply having a rubber plant in your home or office is not the same as participating in a structured horticultural therapy program, it allows individuals to nurture and interact with a living organism. Horticultural therapy has been used with much success in various settings, providing benefits, especially for individuals experiencing mental health challenges, including depression and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. The act of caring for a rubber plant can serve as a form of mindfulness practice. Mindfulness, the act of focusing your attention on the present moment, has been shown to have numerous mental health benefits, including better mood regulation, reduced anxiety, and improved focus. The simple acts of watering, pruning, and observing the plant can bring about this mindful state, contributing to better mental health management. Living in a world full of stresses and pathogens, our immune system is under constant pressure. Interestingly, indoor plants like the rubber plant may offer some support to our immune system. This can be linked to the release of phytoncides, or wood essential oils, which have been shown to boost human immune function. Here are the key points. Phytoncides are antimicrobial volatile organic compounds that plants release into the air. Exposure to these phytoncides has been associated with an increase in natural killer, NK, cells in humans. NK cells are a type of white blood cell that plays a critical role in our body's defenses, helping to fight off viruses and cancer cells. As we've highlighted earlier, rubber plants are adept at purifying the air, reducing exposure to airborne toxins that can put a strain on our immune system. Cleaner air means less work for our immune system to get rid of toxins, allowing it to function more efficiently. Prolonged periods of stress can have a negative impact on our immune system, making us more susceptible to infections. By contributing to a calmer, more serene environment, rubber plants can help mitigate stress levels, indirectly supporting immune health. In today's digital world, where most of our time is spent in front of screens, eye strain has become an increasingly common problem. This often results in computer vision syndrome or digital eye strain, causing symptoms like dry eyes, blurred vision, and headaches. However, an addition as simple as a rubber plant to your workspace can potentially help mitigate this problem. Here's how a rubber plant can help alleviate this. It's not just a coincidence that we find the color green relaxing, there's science behind it. Green is one of the most restful colors for the human eye due to its position in the middle of the light spectrum, which requires no adjustment for the eye to focus on. Therefore, periodically taking breaks from your screen to gaze at the lush green foliage of a rubber plant can provide a much-needed respite for your eyes, allowing them to relax. Continuously staring at a screen can put a lot of strain on your eyes due to the lack of change in focus. Regularly shifting your focus away from your screen to look at your rubber plant can serve as a simple yet effective eye exercise. This helps reduce eye fatigue and strain by changing the focus length and giving your eyes a break from the bright light of screens. When it comes to teaching life skills to children, practical, hands-on experience is often the most effective method. In this regard, caring for a rubber plant can provide a valuable opportunity. This simple task can foster responsibility, empathy, and an appreciation for nature. Here's how. Children can learn valuable lessons about responsibility when entrusted with the care of a rubber plant. Regular watering, monitoring its health, and understanding the needs of the plant can instill a sense of accountability and duty in them. By caring for a living organism, children can also develop empathy. Understanding and tending to the needs of a rubber plant can foster a sense of compassion and care, essential emotional skills that can translate into their interactions with others. Regular interaction with the rubber plant also encourages children to develop an appreciation and respect for nature. This promotes overall emotional well-being, creating a strong foundation for a healthy relationship with the natural world. In a nutshell, rubber plants offer numerous wellness benefits, from boosting your immune system to promoting eye health, and even serving as a practical tool for imparting important values to children. Its multifaceted benefits underline its status as a wonderful addition to any living space. So, the next time you consider adding a plant to your home or office, remember the humble rubber plant, a powerhouse of wellness benefits waiting to be discovered.